Hey guys, how's it going? OSCO here, back for another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make more wavetables in Serum. This time, it'll be a lot more accessible to the everyday user. It'll help you create your own unique sounds, and it's really simple. So let me just go into how to do it, and you guys can go off and make like 20 wavetables in the space of half an hour if you wanted to. Let's jump into this. So let me make this real big, and I'll use a different skin just so you guys are more familiar with it. So in here, we're just going to jump in. We're going to be making like a deeper sound, so I want to use sine waves. So we're going to start off with the basic shape sine wave, jump in here, I'm going to go copy, open up oscillator B, go into here, and hit paste. Now, find a new wavetable, something that's also got some sine sort of things in there. So we'll go into harmonic subtle, and give this a listen. So I like the sound of that there. So we'll copy, go over to here, hit paste. Make sure you select the new window so you're not copying it over here. So you hit this little plus button, you can then hit paste, but we'll just remove that one for now. So at the minute we've got two wavetables. Now I also like the sound of that as well. So we'll copy this, open a new one, new window, and paste. Now find another one. You basically you want to be listening through these. I'm looking for a specific sound, but you can do this with any sound you want as long as it like suits you. I'm just having a look around for sine waves and things that resemble sine waves. So I'm going to take that, copy it, and open up a new window and paste it. You don't have to worry too much about how these all sound together by sweeping through them, because we'll get onto how to clean that up later on. Harmonic morph. So I'm going to take that, copy it, and go into here, new window, paste. Don't worry about too much about the alignment of it all. We'll get back to how that all works. That could be interesting. Okay, so we've got a good selection of waveforms now. So what I'm going to do is take an LFO, set this to a bar, make it ramp up like that, put it on the wavetable, and let it play through. And up the volume of that. Okay, so I kind of like all those tones, that's cool, but I want it to sound a bit smoother on the transition. So what do? If I go into morph and choose spectral morph, that'll generate the highest resolution between all of those waveforms that we've dragged in. So if we have a look at this waveform now, it's a real smooth transition, it's not so choppy. So what I'm going to do is, right now, this is just randomly dragged in as and when we found these samples. I want to choose the way that these are sorted. So if I go to sort, now playing about with these different ones, you'll get different results. I don't really know, I could read the manual and like tell you about all of these things, but I haven't researched that before doing this video. But basically it just changes the way that these are ordered. So and you want to play about with these and just find out which one is sorted the best to your ear. and like which one has the best movement. I like that one actually. So if we'll keep it on that for now. So you'll notice as well, there's some sounds which don't really come through as strong as like the sine wave, or like these larger waves which top out of they have like more time topped out at both ends of the polarity. So what I'm going to do is normalize each but gain them separately, which is in the process section. So normalize each, gain separately. And what that does is just create a more consistent sound across the spectrum. And then what we can do now is create a patch out of that. So we'll lower the volume, FM from B, bring this up. And then that's how you get a deep sound out of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. So you'll have noticed that I'm not uploading as much recently, and it's just because I've got some uni deadlines that are approaching relatively quickly. So over the course of the next few weeks, I'm going to be uploading here less, but the Patreon guys will still get all the same videos and stuff like that, so you guys don't worry. You know, maybe 3 times a week rather than every day. So if you want to see more content from me, go check out the Patreon. All my social links and stuff are all in the description below. go check out more videos on my channel. There was more videos like this. I'll be doing more sound design based content in the future. More synths covered, more of the ones that I use, because I don't really use Serum all that much anymore. But I'll be doing more deep dives on different synths as well. If you like the video, guys, leave a like, drop a comment on the video, hit the subscribe button. There'll be more content like this coming out in the near future. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.